In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Progressive Insurance ID card or proof of insurance. To get started, go to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you select the correct auto insurance policy, especially if you have more than one policy connected to your account. You want to open the policy that includes the vehicle or vehicles you need proof of insurance for. After you're inside your policy dashboard, look for the Documents section. This is where Progressive stores important policy files, including your insurance ID cards, proof of insurance, and other related documents. Tap or click on Documents to continue. Next, find the option for Insurance ID cards or proof of insurance. The wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but it should be clearly labeled. If your policy covers multiple vehicles, your ID cards may include information for all covered vehicles. So take a moment to choose the correct document. Once you've opened that section, click Download or View PDF to access your insurance cards. This will usually open a printable version of the document. Before printing, review the PDF carefully and make sure the vehicle information shown matches the insured vehicles on your policy. This is a good time to confirm that everything looks correct and that the document includes what you need. When you're ready, print the PDF using your home printer or any office printer you have access to. If you insure more than one vehicle, it's a smart idea to print enough copies so that each vehicle can have its own insurance card stored in the glove compartment. That way, the proof of insurance is always easy to find when needed. It's also a good idea to save a digital copy in addition to printing it. You can save the PDF to your computer, tablet, or smartphone so you have a backup available anytime. If you use the Progressive mobile app, you can usually access your digital insurance ID cards there as well, which can be very convenient when you're on the go. If you're not able to print the cards yourself, you still have options. Progressive can mail or fax your proof of insurance if needed, and customer support can also help guide you through the process if you run into any issues. That's all it takes to print your Progressive Insurance ID card or proof of insurance. Once you know where to find the document, the process is quick and easy.